So our story begins with Maui and the sun. And if you look into the day sky, you will see our blessed sun, which is very special. Welcome, come on in. If you look into the night sky, you will see many other suns, which are all very special too, and they are the stars. The sun and the stars have life cycles just like we do. Okay, so stars are born, they live very strong, and they grow old and die, just like we do. When the first ancient stars were born, there was no life, there were no planets. The ancient stars were alone, and they grew old and died. But when the ancient stars died, they left behind a very special dust. And in this dust, new stars were born. But not only were the new suns and stars born into this dust, but now, for the first time, planets were born in the dust of the ancient stars. For all the ingredients of life we need, they were left behind by the ancient stars, and those ancient stars were born into nothing. It is in the dust of these ancient fires that we were born into paradise. And we've heard these stories before. So the ancient stardust and all its ingredients of life have been studied very carefully by many of us who are fascinated and in love with nature and creation. And that's really what this course is about. We call it pharmacology. Hopefully you can see past that. So when you see one of these, remember, this is the dust of the ancient stars. And the dust of the ancient stars we call elements and arrange them in the periodic table of the elements.